What's up, guys? James here with Fun Fact of the Day. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day, learning lots and getting stuff done. Today, we're here to talk about one of nature's biggest mysteries, and that is, why in the world do dogs smell so bad when they get wet? Even if you give them a bath, and they're all clean and freshly soaped, they still smell terrible right afterwards. Why is that? Well, the reason is, just like us, they have a whole bunch of bacteria all over their skin. But they have way more bacteria than we do. And so, when that bacteria gets wet and the water washes over it, it brings it to the edge of their fur, where it's then released into the air and is then absorbed, of course, by our nose, where we smell the wet dog smell. And that's pretty much it. That is why wet dogs smell like wet dogs no matter what. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like down below, or if you just learned something new, leave that like. Anyway, subscribe if you haven't already. I put out new videos every single day, and I'll put a whole playlist of those videos right here if you want to check them out. That's all for today, and I will see you tomorrow.